my channel. It's me again, Love Mommy Koko. So for today's video, we are going to do unboxing of a ring light. I bought this ring light from Amazon for only $75.99 and it is called UBeesize ring light. It has 10 inches ring light and 50 inches extendable tripod. And it works for both Android and iPhones and also cameras. Are you guys excited? Because I am super excited. This is my first ever ring light and I hope this works great. Let's go. Here is the 10 inches ring light with the operating instructions and cable. Here are the phone holder, the phone clip, the Bluetooth remote, and the tripod. So this is the tripod and let's begin to assemble this. This tripod is made of aluminum alloy legs, and to extend the legs, just flip open the leg lock lever and gently pull on the leg segment to the desired length. To take a panorama photo, just rotate the pan locking knob counterclockwise and move the handle for the smooth 360 panorama shot. The maximum height of this tripod is 50 inches. This is a foldable phone clip if you just want to attach your phone without the ring light. Always make sure that you tighten this part if your ring light is attached. Always make sure that the bubble in the level is always in the middle to make sure that your tripod is perfectly level on the ground. This is the phone holder that you have to attach on your ring light. Assemble the soft tube phone holder by the cold shoe interface and always fasten the round screw to tighten the phone holder. This is the controller for the ring light to turn on and off and to switch modes. This ring light has 3 lighting modes: the warm, cool white, and daylight, and each of them has 11 brightness levels. Cool, huh? Done unboxing, setting up, and trying out this UBeesize 10 inches ring light, and I can say that I am so pleased with this product. For the price, it is worth your money. Now I can take more photos and videos, even the sun goes down, and I don't have decent lighting here in my craft room. Thanks with this UBeesize ring light. I hope you guys will give this product a try and let me know what you think about this. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you guys are not yet connected to me. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!